Welcome back to my Designer Enters the Squishy World Challenge. It's day 398 of running my squishy shop, and today, I'm making the most complete mini squishy ever. From mixing glue, coloring, to demolding, let's dive right into this satisfying process. And that's how every tiny squishy is born one drop, one color, one squeeze at a time. Which part was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handmade creations. And check out over 100 squishy designs now live on momocheese2024.com.